The smart factory of Hannam, which is run 24/7 with passionate minds, is the dream factory that turns our ideas into reality. Having constructed the large warehouse, we Hannam Hi-Tech are putting our best endeavors in warehousing of raw materials and inventory management for stable supply and reasonable product prices. In addition, thorough quality inspections have been conducted with the firm principle to provide only the perfect products to our clients. The right products for opening up a better world. Hannam Hi-Tech Corporation Limited is a global small giant, officially approved by the Korean government, with the products being exported to many countries worldwide, including the US, China, and Germany. The Center of Industrial Tapes, Hannam Hi-Tech. The company that takes all responsibilities for humans. We make the safest and sturdiest products possible, with the mindset of regarding all the users of our products as our family members. The supporter to make the client company's products shine best at their fields. The value that is invisible, yet more precious. Life Technology. Hannam Hi-Tech Corporation Limited.